The child in this photo was missing for 30 years. This is him now with his family. Meet Bhim Singh, a young boy who was abducted on 8th of September of 1993. Bhim was just 9 years old when he was taken from his family while returning home from school in Noida.
ये हमारा भाई राजू जो 1993 में किडनैप हो गया था.
The family received a ransom letter demanding rupees 7.4 lakh, but after that, no contact was made by the kidnappers, police said. The kidnapper was an auto driver. He handed Bhim off to a truck driver, who then sold him to a man in Rajasthan. For the next 30 years, Bhim's life would be one of captivity in Jaisalmer, working on an animal farm, chained at night like an animal, with nothing but scraps of food to survive. When Tularam, Bhim's father, retired, the family decided not to return to their hometown of Dadri. What if one day their son came back looking for them? So Tularam altered his plans and opened a flour mill in Ghaziabad, close to their home in Shahid Nagar, though none of them truly believed Bhim would ever return. But fate had something else in store. Rajneesh Upadhyay, the ACP of Sahibabad, shared that Bhim walked into the Khora police station last Saturday afternoon holding a letter scrawled in blue ink. The letter came from the Delhi-based businessman who had rescued Bhim. He pieced together fragments of Bhim's memories and wrote them down, hoping the police could use them to trace his origins. He told the police that he remembered being from somewhere in Noida, but no recollection of Ghaziabad or Shahid Nagar. He also mentioned having parents and 4 sisters, 3 sisters with 2 being older than him, and that he was their only son. The police then discovered an FIR for the kidnapping filed on September 8th of 1993 at the Sahibabad police station.
थाना साहिबाबाद क्षेत्र में इस संबंध में अभियोग पंजीकृत हुआ था. उससे पूछताछ के आधार पर उसके परिजनों का पता लगा करके युवक को उसके परिजनों से मिलवा दिया गया है. इसमें अग्रिम विधिक कार्रवाई प्रचलित थी.
His parents couldn't recognize the man standing before them, but on the basis of signs such as a tattoo with the name Raju, a mole on his leg marks they knew well.
थोड़े थाने से हमने वहाँ जाकर बात करी, पहचान करी, तो हमें लगा कि हमारा भाई राजू है. इसके निशान वगैरह हमने देखे तो हमें वही पाए, तो हम इसको खोड़ा थाने से अपने घर लेकर आए हैं.
It was September 8th of 1993 when Bhim was kidnapped, and then this past week Bhim finally returned to them after 30 long years. Bhim, who spent years resigned to a life of slavery, was finally standing before his own family.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.